Hello students, good morning. Let's start with the delta U measurement. Delta U is nothing but internal energy. That is also represented by the symbol delta E. So, measurement of delta U and delta H, measurement of energy changes are associated with chemical or physical process by an experimental technique called calorimetry. Calorimetry, students, this you have to remember. Yes. Now, the heat evolved in the process can be determined by temperature changes. Measurements are taken under two different conditions: at constant pressure, that is QP, and at constant volume, that is QE. सो अगर हमें डेल्टा यू मेजर करना है तो हमें पता ही है कि डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू क्यू वी. सो कॉन्स्टेंट वॉल्यूम पे हमें ये मेजर करना होगा और एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ हीट एट कॉन्स्टेंट वॉल्यूम कैन बी मेजर्ड इन अ बॉम कैलोरीमीटर. द एनर्जी चेंजेस एसोसिएटेड विथ रिएक्शन आर मेजर्ड विथ नो वर्क डन अंडर कॉन्स्टेंट वॉल्यूम. See how water is filled here. Okay, this is said to be the bomb calorimeter. This is the stirrer, and here the sample is taken. See clearly, students, stirrer is there in a water, bomb is there, that is nothing but bomb calorimeter. Sample is taken, okay, and firing leads are also placed. Now, oxygen inlet is there because we are going to have a combustion. Oxygen under pressure. ओके, ऊपर से लीड बंद कर दी है हमने, ऑक्सीजन इनलेट की, थर्मोमीटर भी रख दिया है. ठीक है, चलो. टेम्परेचर चेंजेस, पहले तो ये मैकेनिज्म मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सैंपल रखा हुआ है, ये ऑक्सीजन इनलेट किया है, यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन प्रेशराइज करके फिलअप किया हुआ है. कंबशन करेंगे फायरिंग लीड से, फायरिंग लीड से स्पार्क डेवलप करके कंबशन करेंगे. कंबशन करने से क्या होगा, ये कंबशन होने से हीट इवॉल्व होगी और वो जो हीट इवॉल्व होगी ये वाटर को गर्म कर देगी और ये जो आपका स्टरर है वो घूमता रहेगा और हीट का पूरे कंटेनर में हीट का इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेगा. और यहाँ पे थर्मोमीटर रखा है, उससे हम हीट मेजर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अभी अगर मुझे ये हीट मीन्स थर्मोमीटर में टेम्परेचर पता चल गया, सो नेक्स्ट आई कैन कैलकुलेट इंटरनल एनर्जी. Temperature change of the calorimeter by the completed reaction is calculated as QV. Cp by Cv is equal to gamma, that is the Poisson's ratio. We know that Z is the heat capacity of calorimeter. Theta increase in temperature measured by Beckmann thermometer. This thermometer is said to be the Beckmann thermometer. Mass of the substance in a gram and molecular weight of the substance is also there. So absorption of heat at constant volume can be measured by using calorimeter or bomb calorimeter, you can say. In calorimeter, the heat of combustion can be calculated by this formula, students. तो ये formula वहाँ पे होनी चाहिए थी मगर थी नहीं. Okay, तो आपको याद रखनी होगी. This is the formula. The heat of combustion Z into theta into capital M upon small m. Small m is mass, capital M is molecular mass. Z आपको बता दिया है, थीटा भी आपको बता दिया है. ठीक है, so based on these your formula answer is A. Next we are going to study the delta H measurement, that is nothing but enthalpy measurement. The measurement of heat changes at constant atmospheric pressure. At a constant pressure, delta H is equal to QP. The heat absorbed or evolved at constant pressure is also called the heat of reaction, okay, or you can say the enthalpy of reaction. In an exothermic reaction, heat is evolved, then QP is negative and enthalpy of reaction is also negative. In an endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed, then Qp is positive. The reaction in which delta H reaction is positive. So this is the instrument. Here this made up of polystyrene cup. Reaction mixture is taken here, that is nothing but the thermometer. Okay, so the reaction here reaction mixture having a reaction to occur, and the heat which is released measured by the thermometer, and definitely that we are using in a formula to calculate delta H. Okay, sum of enthalpy of product minus sum of enthalpy of reactant. Such as हम मीथेन का कंबशन कर रहे हैं तो प्रोडक्ट विल बी CO2 plus 2H2O. So enthalpy of product, gaseous product and a liquid both are there, but liquid के लिए आपको पता ही है कि zero enthalpy change आएगा. So here products are CO2, 2 moles of water, so 2 multiplied by enthalpy of water minus enthalpy of methane plus enthalpy of O2. HM is molar enthalpy, enthalpy of 1 mole of substance. Enthalpy change is a very useful quantity used to calculate temperature dependence on equilibrium constant. Which one of the following is correct? Yes. Here E1 and B1 are the coefficient, such as 2 mole water था तो हमने 2 से multiply किया, that is our coefficient. Okay, this is the formula. Now in an exothermic reaction heat is evolved. यह Qn नहीं है, ये Qp है, तो हीट इवॉल्व होगी तो Qp आपका पॉजिटिव आएगा, सॉरी नेगेटिव आएगा, और डेल्टा H भी आपका